Welcome to Exam Sale. This script outlines the syllabus for the Juniper Security Professional exam in a clear and practical way. Overview of the exam domains and weights. Advanced ISEC VPNs 20%, Application Security 12%, Juniper ATP 12%, Intrusion Prevention System 12%, High Availability Clustering 12%, Virtualization 12%, Security Director 10%, and Advanced Security Policies 10%. Each domain lists its focus, difficulty, estimated learning time in hours, and assessment type so you can prioritize study and lab practice. Advanced ISEC VPNs is weighted at 20%, has difficulty hard, estimated learning time 35 hours, and assessment type scenario-based. You will learn complex VPN topologies including auto-discovery VPN or AD-VPN concepts, spoke-to-spoke direct tunnel signaling, and shortcut forwarding table behavior. The syllabus covers routing protocols over AD-VPN, next hop resolution protocol usage, and dynamic tunnel establishment along with group VPN architecture, key server and member roles and hub and spoke redundancy. Practical scenarios include redundant VPN gateways, dead peer detection optimization and routing over redundant VPN paths to ensure scalable, resilient designs. Application security is weighted at 12%, has difficulty medium, estimated learning time 20 hours, and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. You will study Layer 7 application identification using the App ID engine, how the application signature database is managed, and how to create custom signatures. The domain also covers app secure services such as app track monitoring, app firewall policy implementation and app costs for bandwidth control, focusing on application layer visibility and integration of App ID with security policies. Training emphasizes fine-tuning of identification, system cache handling and the order of operations for accurate application control. Juniper ATP is weighted at 12%, has difficulty medium, estimated learning time 18 hours, and assessment type conceptual plus scenario-based. This domain explains Sky ATP cloud architecture and on-box ATP detection, and the sandbox analysis process for zero-day threats. You will learn how threat levels and action profiles operate, how malware detection and prevention work, and how SecIntel feeds integrate with ATP. The syllabus also includes the policy enforcer integration with security director, automated threat remediation, host quarantine and enforcement on switches and wireless access points. Intrusion prevention system is weighted at 12%, has difficulty medium, estimated learning time 22 hours, and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. Candidates will learn IPS rule-based components, the difference between predefined and custom signatures, and signature update procedures. The curriculum covers false positive tuning, exemptions, IPS policy templates, anomalies and scan detection, and how to configure and tune inspection engines for accurate protection. Hands-on practice focuses on building effective IPS policies, keeping signature sets current, and analyzing alerts for operational use. High availability clustering is weighted at 12%, has difficulty hard, estimated learning time 25 hours, and assessment type scenario-based. This domain covers chassis cluster formation, control plane behavior, and redundancy groups and interfaces used to provide failover. You will study ISEC failover in clusters, cluster monitoring and troubleshooting, ISU concepts, and the role of dual fabric and dual control links for resilience. Scenarios emphasize planning for failover, testing cluster upgrades and diagnosing state synchronization issues to maintain continuous service. Virtualization is weighted at 12%, has difficulty medium, estimated learning time 15 hours, and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. The syllabus explains logical systems architecture, resource virtualization and allocation, and interlogical system communication and administrative roles. It also covers SRX deployment models, multi-tenant security isolation, virtual interface management, and cloud-specific SRX configurations with performance tuning. Practical work focuses on routing isolation within instances and optimizing virtual deployments for multi-tenant or cloud environments. Security Director is weighted at 10%, has difficulty easy, estimated learning time 12 hours, and assessment type conceptual plus scenario-based. You will learn centralized policy management, the policy workspace lifecycle, and device discovery and onboarding workflows. The domain includes object and policy publishing, logging and reporting integration, and basic use of the Security Director API for orchestration. Emphasis is on using a centralized console to manage multiple devices, apply consistent policies, and monitor compliance and events. Advanced security policies is weighted at 10%, has difficulty medium, estimated learning time 15 hours, and assessment type hands-on plus conceptual. Candidates will study firewall filters and global policy lookup order, advanced match criteria and policy scheduling. The syllabus covers user-based firewall policies, logging and accounting per policy, and policy analysis and optimization tools to improve rule performance. Practical exercises include creating granular policies, applying schedules, and using analysis tools to reduce policy complexity and improve security posture. That wraps up the syllabus for the Juniper Security Professional exam. Use the listed percentage weights, estimated hours and assessment types to build a study plan that balances conceptual study with hands-on labs and scenario practice, and focus first on the higher weight and higher difficulty domains. Good luck and prepare methodically for exam success.